Can you tell me what you know in Maltese? You can say it here.
Really? Here I can say?
Yes.
Where is my camera? This one?
You can choose with 3.
Okay. I like to say,
We have something in common, man. I use it a lot.
Isma, how do you do the cheeky with the glasses?
okay, I'm going to teach you. Because this is like a rule, this is a law in Spain that you need to do. Even my mother, my nana, all the people needs to do. It's not something that me I
Tradition.
invent, it's a tradition. So, you need to cheers.
Cheers.
So, chin chin.
Chin.
After do like this, remove and say, quien no apoya no folla. This is something bad in Spanish, eh?
Oh, yes.
Exact.
Okay.
So you need to remove and pa dentro. You know?
Chicky, feda.
Chiqui they invent. Chiqui like from no bailar.
You had a lot of cheeky with the glasses, but no cheeky with the boys. Why?
No, of course no. I'm not going to do chiqui on TV.
No,
in reality, in front
No
of
cheeky.
no.
Isma, after Matthias, you had no connection allora.
No, and also I didn't have time as well. Me, I was waiting for a bombshell.
Your connection. Melita, go, what do you have?
I have very big.
If you're having problems, tell me. I know them all.
Okay.